in the middle.
No, that nah. No.
Hold on. Oh, whoops, I slipped.
Ground pound. Oh.
What are you doing? Oh god.
Right, start them.
Guy does it.
Good morning, everybody, gamers and people. Welcome back to another Bleach video. Today we're doing stick fight, and we've already derailed into an absolute mess.
I am on like 2 hours of sleep and very tired. Expect me to not make any sense.
Alright.
I'm-
I just flew.
I never expect it to make any sense.
Alright.
I like it a lot.
Now we can get started.
Back being bent backwards.
Right.
What?
See this little ledge? It's mine.
That's how Pokemon are stored in Pokeballs. Oh no, I'm not letting you have a fucking pistol. This is my cube.
Cohen's already dead.
Paddy, no. Paddy, no.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
Oh,
Paddy,
you're
no.
so dead.
Yeah. Snake grenade.
Ow!
Launch the snakes.
Paddy's gonna get himself killed.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Snake. Get him, snakes.
What
Get
did
him.
you do?
I shot snake grenades at him.
No, what did Patty just do? He just like vibrated.
Uh-oh.
How does that happen? I don't know, but I'm about to die.
I shot him into the wall. Oh, and the finger.
What It did just-
Oh.
it just left.
Ooh.
Snakes.
Oh no, oh no,
Oh no.
Why me? Why me? Why me? Not like this! Not like this!
Get them, my pretties.
I'm dead.
There's so many snakes, I can't breathe.
Can we call this episode Snakes and Explosion?
Yeah.
How am I still alive? No, not more of them.
Get them.
You're not allowed a goddamn snake gun. However,
Get him, my. Get them.
is
my pretties.
Kalen also lagging a lot for you guys? He
Yeah.
is for me.
Yeah, he is.
Look at him go.
Probably because there's about 80 snakes on the screen.
I wonder who could have possibly done that.
Yeah.
It's all snakes.
Wait,
Oh.
wait, is this? Oh,
Ow.
I remember. I played this with you guys, and you can get killed by those boxes.
Yeah, you can.
I'm hiding with
Don't
you.
mind me. Just
What?
chilling.
Okay, spear.
I just got caught and get
I'll take
shot
this.
through the floor.
Yeah,
Mm.
I flipped through the floor.
Die!
This episode needs to be called Lag and Explosions.
Die.
Nah, snakes, explosions and snakes.
I'm dead. I'm.
Wait, wait.
Caitlin, how are you still alive?
Just
Shot you so
die.
many times.
Please! Yes!
Wait.
Oh, we're in lava map.
Snakes are the greatest weapon in the game.
What is that? What does that actually do?
It does stuff. We can't shoot it down until we have
Snakes.
guns. I'm just
Snake.
gonna hide here.
All we have are snakes. No.
Snakes.
Give me that. No.
Bomb!
For the
Bomb!
final round,
Bomb!
we just do
Bomb!
snake guns
Bomb!
and just
Oh,
get how many
yeah.
snakes we can.
Bomb!
Help me! Don't kill me! No!
Thanks for the gun, guys.
I'm just gonna stay here.
Okay,
Ow.
you get to die.
I'm just
Ow.
like.
You get killed by your own snakes.
Snakes,
I'm gonna
chill.
let you live, Paddy. Paddy, no. I'm gonna let you live.
Oh wait, I don't have the gun anymore.
Ow.
I should probably just chill here. How are we all still alive?
Because I've
Well,
just been
I
hiding
didn't,
inside.
I didn't shoot at Paddy. I just kind of let him live. I was gonna kill you guys, then jump off the edge. You know.
Oh no, he's got a spear.
Ow.
Oh! Here you... Guys.
Oh, I'm dead.
Not like that. Not like.
Look at my poor snakes just kind of chilling in the lava.
Paddy, you coming?
Not like this.
Paddy, give him all your money.
Oh.
Whatever.
Cohen, chill. Cohen, chill. Cohen,
Chill!
Cohen, that was not chill.
Paddy, you idiot!
Dylan, this is not chill.
I'll take them down, let's go! Oh no!
Yeah.
This is the most chaotic stick fight I've ever had.
I know, yeah.
Stick fight
Because
for
there's
more-
4 hours.
possible.
Bye.
Chaos reign.
Open fire!
No!
I shot myself off the side.
I grabbed onto like 5 falling blocks of ice.
No, Caleb, we
No,
need
right, no one's allowed to kill each other. No one's allowed to kill each
we
other.
need the snake minigun on. Mine.
God damn it.
God.
Eh?
Oh, who wants to die with that?
Did nobody
that
see him?
lightsaber?
Did anyone see him go through the lasers by any
I
chance?
can just do that. I can just do that.
What?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hang on. Let me get high up.
I have a sword.
Get down there. So it's over, Anakin. I have the high ground.
I've got.
Onward! Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I've got a rocket launcher. All right, Paddy, you can stay over there. Goodbye. No.
Someone's gonna kill themselves with that, aren't they?
Oh, you're an idiot.
Whee!
Ow.
Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. I've been nothing but good to you.
Come on then.
How could you betray me like that?
Yeah, I bounce bullets back. Ever seen a man throw a sweepstick?
Yeah, he's dead.
Get it. Oh.
If he headshot him, he would have been dead, and then Zach would have won.
Oh, guys,
To
what
be
about the
fair,
back?
I jacked with bullets.
Chill.
Oh god.
You're gonna die.
This platform, it seems fun.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Weak.
Let's go.
Let's go. No.
Paddy clearly has pure skill.
Lava again. No.
Yeet.
Panic.
Thanks.
Oh god.
Sorry, Paddy.
I am just like half a human at this point.
Oh god, no. Oh no. Oh no.
I'm the spear boy.
Please.
I just did a backflip.
Paddy, no.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Hey. Bro,
How
look at
am
my
I
body.
alive?
Guys, have you seen my body?
Yeah, I can't.
I
I
don't know
trapped
what's
you under
going
the
on.
thing.
Oh,
Eat spear.
That was pure
Yeah.
gaming skill. And you can't
Guys.
deny it.
Can, Kaylin, can you add some sort of just like intense filter to that, please?
I'm just gonna chill over here. Oh,
Just make it be like dun,
An Uzi.
dun, dun, dun,
hey guys.
dun, dun. Oh, bro. Oh, no.
Kaylin, what did you just
What?
do?
Wait.
Cohen, chill. It's the only way we're gonna survive.
Chill.
Stand over
All right, yeah, chill.
Stand
Chill.
over there. Stand
I'll take the gun.
over there.
I'll take them out.
Will you though? How are
Yeah.
you still floating?
Got lag on our side, boy.
We got the lag.
Let's go.
Die.
How are they still blowing?
Yes. Let's go. I took a bullet for you.
Oh, no.
Ferris wheel time. I'm the commander of the Ferris wheel.
Oh, Dave.
I'm the commander of the Ferris wheel.
No, we've got to kill Kaylin. He's too powerful.
It's fine. I got this. I can turn it. Overway time.
Kaylin, you become immortal.
Get off my Ferris wheel.
Why
How do you even turn? Oh, there we go.
Get out my Ferris wheel.
Have you got a deagle?
Yeah.
Wee.
Get back in.
Boys.
Get out my Ferris wheel.
Oh my god.
No.
The Ferris wheel is such.
No.
Back, Patty, you can make it. Oh.
On or I'm gonna cry. Who
It
wants
might
to come down
actually
with
be
me?
good for 4 people.
Who wants to come down in a blaze of glory?
Closing
Time,
time.
time to die.
Oh, bro.
Stop.
Babu, how did I survive?
You should be dead. Ow.
I-
Ow.
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 should be
Come on.
dead.
Fight for me, Cohen. You're the only one who went down like a man with me.
I'm still alive.
Flex that bullet.
Ow. Cohen. Cohen legitimately just killed me with a deagle shot.
Cohen just killed himself.
I was alive and then Cohen killed me with a deagle shot when he misclicked. Well, when he was spamming.
Whoa, I forgot about them.
Oh, what? I didn't know save your thing.
I always die on this map. Oh my god,
yeah,
can
I
you...
always die on this map.
Don't come at me, Cohen. I'm the guardian of the sword.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I know I killed you.
Didn't go on.
Okay, I've become invincible.
I didn't think the spikes would kill you, but apparently they do.
You don't say.
Yeah, the giant ice.
Come at me.
Yeah, no thanks. I think I'll just chill it here.
What? Why is that glowing red?
Because I'm a god.
Oh, come fight me. I skilled my way up here.
No, I'm sharpening my blade.
Oh no!
People,
Point it like towards them.
Ow. I hurt myself. I think I'm done with that. I came up now. I'm actually...
Alright, a sword battle. A duel to the death.
Sword fight! You just immediately knocked the sword out of my hand.
Yeah. Bruh. Zach,
liking
it's
it.
not called sword fight, it's called stick fight.
I'm
GG.
trying to throw my sword, but I can't. Oh, there we go. I've got mad skills.
Uh-oh.
First to try.
Alright, boys, I think it's a great place to end it because
Oh, no.
we're in the snake pit.
It's been 10 minutes. I'm not even
No,
joking.
it's snake, it's snake, it's snake, it's snake. It's snake. I was
It's the
thinking of
power
doing
of
it.
this.
If I win this, it's snake. If I win this, it's snake.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I can agree with that.
Alright then.
GG.
Yeah. I
I
can see
watched
you.
you. God, I watched
He
you
shot like
fucking
8
up.
deagle shots at me. What was I gonna do?
Noticed. Oh god. Help me. I'm trapped on a boat with a madman.
Well, back here again.
Get away from my
No,
boat.
team.
No team.
You do know there is a way out of this. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
If you get the right gun.
Shotgun.
Is it glow?
I was-
No.
I was gonna say, do you wanna
I
try and get
protected
ourselves
my
out,
rock.
but-
Yeah.
Look up Paddy. Look up Paddy. It's just a head.
Oh. He's up into a ball.
Right, who wants to die? First, Kayla.
No thanks. Don't feel.
I'm just crawling across the ground like a spider. Hello. Oh fuck.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Spider.
I sacrificed
Spider.
my life for Paddy.
Thank you.
I knew he was gonna do
The other way.
Mouse
Guys,
pointed
no
down.
one do anything dumb. I'm gonna. Ooh.
No.
No.
I thought you just said. Oh my word. I was awesome. Uh-oh.
I tried. Hello. Lava. bro, look at my guy. Bro, my guy is vibing. Oh, I'm dead.
One sec.
If you kill him now,
Get him,
Cohen.
get him.
GG.
That was
Bro,
chaos.
bro, did you see me and Cohen just flying? I'm a prodigy.
You're really not. You're anything but a prodigy.
Yeah, you're literally in last.
I'm
Oh
a
wait, no,
king.
you're in third.
He's
Bro,
he's
I'm
doubling
literally
Cohen's score. Oh no.
Ow. So what do you think
very
about
bad at look.
So,
I don't want this gun. What's this? Oh,
oh
Thanks.
no. Hide.
I'm taking a ride.
Hide.
Are we taking a ride? Thanks.
Oh. Uh-oh.
No.
Uh-oh, Kaylin. Oh, okay. Never mind.
Baby.
Paddy, let's chill over here. Let's watch him
Leave
fight.
me alone. Chill,
Okay.
Chill. Cohen, chill.
Come on.
Cohen,
I'll let my hand up to you. Grab my. Ah!
Oh shit.
Yeah, bet you wish we would chill now. Yeah, that's what I bloody thought.
He's got ragdoll.
Paddy, take him out.
Bye, Paddy.
Oh, he's gone.
This can't happen. This can't happen.
Ooh.
This can't happen. This can't
What the hell is that gun?
No,
Does
you
stuff.
win now. I'm not having that.
Oh, it's this gun.
Wait, who's the closest?
Zach's on 19, Cohen.
Leave me alone.
Ow.
No, it's not my blood on my hand. It's my gun.
Oh, they explode.
Leave me alone.
Get down.
I don't think these will ever explode.
Get
I think
down.
they're supposed to survive.
No, they explode in a bit.
Wait, look.
I'm just
what-
gonna kill myself.
Wait, the ones to the left are making a tower.
Cohen, you're very dead once
God.
once
Oh,
they start to
I'm
explode.
just trying-
Why aren't they explode? Right,
What
I'm
is
just hurting myself with this gun.
They've all exploded for me.
I'm just firing a minigun. There we go.
Yeah, I know it.
What was on the right? Look at the ones on the right.
They made a tower. It's falling.
No, not now.
Ow, it's a mini
Ow,
tower.
I can't move, but I'm not dead.
Uh-oh.
I can
Uh-oh.
just see
Uh-oh.
Caleb
Uh-oh.
walking through. What? Yeah, you were just walking through barrels.
Hold it.
Paddy, get in the hole.
You
And
idiot.
kill him. Up
No.
cut him once the spike ball comes over.
How did you guys survive?
Ow.
Hey, wait, what?
I jumped right into the spike ball immediately.
That's sus. Get in the hole.
Pretty fucking
Right,
fast.
kill him. I sacrificed myself to take out Zach.
Wow, you're really dumb.
That was.
Oh, you guys!
Can't beat me. You can't beat me. God
No,
gamer. God gamer.
It's almost like I'm fighting three people.
Gamer.
Yeah, 'cause you are.
Yeah, I know.
You want to do this?
No one gets to win.
Damn! Stop it!
No! Minigun! Snake.
Yeah, it's a
And it's-
right,
and
right.
it's-
Oh, this is the perfect level.
Kaylin, you did a good.
Oh.
More snake miniguns!
No.
Snake!
Can we just end the video with like an edit of like, you know, the error has occurred thing?
My
I
game
like-
is so laggy. The lag.
No.
Lag.
Snake. Time to add more.
Oh god, no! My
Thanks
game
for
is running
watching.
like 2 frames a second.
Oh my god, the body physics of just like died.
Kaylin,
Alright,
outro us.
Alright, thank you for watching the newest Brain Bleach video. My PC is now on fire. Like, comments, subscribe, all that sellout.
Goodbye.
Gaming.
We'll see you next time. Peace.